Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Brain.
We're really happy you're here with us today because today's topic is about something we all love free time.
Today, we're talking about how to talk about free time in English.
Those activities you do when you're not working or studying.
If someone asks you, "What do you like to do in your free time?" and you don't know what to say, stay with us until the end.
Today, you'll learn 5 useful phrases for talking about your free time in English. Repeat after us and use them in real conversations.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with real conversations, please like this video now.
And subscribe to the English Brain so you don't miss our weekly podcast lessons. Your support really helps us create more free content for you.
Let's start with a personal question for you.
What did you do last weekend in your free time?
Think about it. Maybe you watched TV, maybe you went somewhere, maybe you just stayed home.
All of those are good answers.
But many English learners feel embarrassed when people ask this question.
They think, my free time is boring. I don't do anything special.
Here's the truth. You don't need special activities to have a good conversation.
You just need simple, honest answers with the right phrases.
So today, we'll teach you exactly what to say.
Let's start with the basics.
First, what is free time?
Free time is the time when you're not working, not studying, and not doing chores.
It's the time when you can choose what you want to do.
Some people call it leisure time or spare time.
For example, after work, you have 2 hours before dinner. That's free time.
Or on Saturday morning, you wake up and you don't have any plans. That's free time too.
Some people have a lot of free time. Some people have very little.
But everyone has some free time, even if it's just 30 minutes a day.
And talking about free time is very common in English conversations.
People ask this question all the time. What do you do in your free time?
At work, on the first day of class, when meeting new friends, or even on dating apps.
So, if you can answer this question well, you'll feel much more confident.
Let's go to our first topic.
This topic is the foundation. If you learn nothing else today, learn this one.
If you can answer this question naturally, you'll feel confident in any conversation.
At work, at school, when traveling, or meeting new people.
Our first topic is how to talk about your hobbies and activities.
Here is phrase 1. In my free time, I like to.
You just add your activity.
For example, in my free time, I like to read books.
Or, in my free time, I like to watch movies.
Or, in my free time, I like to spend time with my family.
Let me give you more examples.
Yes, more examples help a lot.
In my free time, I like to play video games.
In my free time, I like to listen to music.
In my free time, I like to go for walks.
In my free time, I like to cook new recipes.
See? You can add almost any activity.
The structure is simple and powerful.
Let's make a short conversation. So, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to listen to music and go for walks.
Nice. What kind of music do you listen to?
Mostly pop and jazz. What about you?
In my free time, I like to cook and try new recipes.
That sounds fun. Do you cook every day?
Not every day, but maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
I should learn to cook better.
Now repeat after us, slowly.
In my free time, I like to.
In my free time, I like to.
One more time. In my free time, I like to.
Good. Now think of your real activities and practice saying this sentence.
Even if your activity feels simple, say it with confidence.
Now let's move to the second topic.
This one makes your answer sound more natural and complete.
When someone asks about your free time, it's natural to say not just what you do, but how often. This makes your English sound more detailed and fluent.
Our second topic is how to talk about frequency.
Here is phrase 2. I usually, or I often, meaning you talk about something you do regularly.
For example, I usually watch TV in the evening.
Or I often go to the gym on weekends.
Or I usually spend my free time reading or listening to podcasts.
Let me give you more frequency words.
Yes, these words are very useful.
Always means 100% of the time. I always drink coffee in the morning.
Usually means about 80% of the time. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Often means about 60% of the time. I often exercise after work.
Sometimes means about 30% of the time. I sometimes watch movies on Friday nights.
Rarely means about 10% of the time. I rarely eat fast food.
Never means 0% of the time. I never smoke.
Let's hear a short dialogue. What do you usually do on Sunday mornings?
I usually sleep late and then have a big breakfast.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I usually stay in my pajamas until noon.
That's a good Sunday. What about you?
I often go jogging on Sunday mornings. The park is very quiet.
That's a healthy habit.
Yes, but sometimes I skip it and just stay in bed.
Now repeat after us.
I usually
I usually.
and I often.
I often.
Great. Use these words to make your answers more complete and natural.
Let's go to the third topic.
This one makes your answers sound more enthusiastic and interesting.
When you talk about free time, it's nice to show your feelings about what you do. It makes the conversation warmer and more personal.
Our third topic is how to express enjoyment,
Here is phrase 3. I really enjoy.
meaning you love doing this activity. It makes you happy.
For example, I really enjoy spending time outdoors.
Or, I really enjoy learning new things.
Or I really enjoy playing video games with my friends.
You can also use other expressions of enjoyment.
Yes, let's give more examples.
I love reading in my free time.
I'm really into photography right now.
I'm passionate about cooking.
I absolutely love going to the beach.
All of these show strong positive feelings.
They make your answer more colorful. Let's listen to a conversation. What do you do to relax?
I really enjoy reading. It helps me forget about stress.
What kind of books do you read?
I love mystery novels and biographies.
Nice. I really enjoy watching documentaries.
Oh, I like those too. What kind of documentaries?
I'm really into nature documentaries. I find them very calming.
That sounds peaceful.
Now repeat after us.
I really enjoy.
I really enjoy.
One more time. I really enjoy.
This phrase shows passion and makes your answer more interesting.
People like talking to people who show enthusiasm.
Our fourth topic is very practical.
Because in real life, we're all busy, and sometimes free time is very limited.
Life is busy, work is busy, family needs attention.
So sometimes your free time is very short or only on weekends.
So it's good to have language for limited free time.
This makes your answer honest and relatable.
Our fourth topic is how to talk about limited free time or things you wish you could do more.
Here is phrase 4. When I have time,
Meaning you don't do this every day, but when you can, you do it.
for example, when I have time, I go to the cinema.
Or when I have time, I visit my friends.
Or when I have time, I practice my English.
You can also say, whenever I can, I.
Or if I have a free weekend,
These phrases show that you want to do something, but life is busy.
Everyone understands that feeling.
Let's hear a short dialogue. Do you play any sports?
Yes, when I have time, I play basketball with my friends.
How often do you play?
Maybe once or twice a month. I'm usually very busy with work.
I understand. When I have time, I like to go hiking.
That sounds great. Where do you hike?
There's a nice trail near my city. Whenever I can, I go there on Saturday mornings.
I'd love to try that.
Now repeat after us.
When I have time,
When I have time, I.
This phrase is honest, natural, and very common in real conversations.
Our fifth topic is about connection.
Because free time is not just about activities, it's also about who you spend time with.
Some people love spending free time alone. Some people love being with others. Both are completely okay and completely normal. Our fifth topic is how to talk about who you spend free time with.
Here is phrase 5. I like to spend time with,
For example, I like to spend time with my family.
or I like to spend time with my best friend.
Or, I like to spend time alone. It helps me recharge.
All of these are natural and good answers.
Let me give you more examples.
Yes, this will help listeners choose the right words for their situation.
I prefer to spend my free time alone.
I love spending weekends with my partner.
I enjoy going out with my friends.
I like to be around people who make me laugh.
Sometimes I need alone time to relax.
I'm happiest when I'm with my dog.
See? There are many ways to talk about this.
Choose the one that feels true for you.
Let's listen to a conversation. What do you usually do on Friday nights?
I like to spend time with my friends. We usually go out for dinner or watch a movie.
That sounds fun. How many friends?
Usually 3 or 4 of us. What about you?
I like to spend time alone on Friday nights. After a busy week, I need quiet time.
I totally understand that. What do you do?
I usually read a book or watch a series on TV.
That sounds peaceful.
Now, repeat after us.
I like to spend time with.
I like to spend time with.
Think about who makes your free time special, or if you prefer time alone.
Now let's put all 5 phrases together in one natural conversation about free time.
Listen carefully and try to hear each phrase.
So, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read and watch movies.
Nice. How often do you read?
I usually read before bed, every night. It's my relaxation routine.
That's a really good habit. What do you read?
I really enjoy reading fiction books, especially fantasy and adventure.
Cool. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I love The Lord of the Rings. I've read it 3 times.
Wow, that's dedication. Do you do anything else in your free time?
When I have time, I go to the park and take photos. I love photography.
That's interesting. Are you good at it?
I'm still learning, but I enjoy the process.
Do you go alone?
Sometimes, but I like to spend time with my brother. He's also interested in photography.
That's great that you have someone to share your hobby with.
Yes, it's more fun together. What about you? What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to exercise and listen to podcasts.
What kind of podcasts?
I really enjoy learning English through podcasts like this one.
That's smart. You're learning while relaxing.
Exactly. How often do you exercise?
I usually go to the gym 3 times a week.
That's impressive. When do you go?
I often go in the morning before work. It gives me energy for the day.
Do you go with anyone?
When I have time, I go with my coworker, but usually I like to spend time alone at the gym. It's my thinking time.
I understand that. The gym can be very meditative.
Exactly.
Okay, quick recap. Today, you learned 5 useful phrases for talking about free time in English. In my free time, I like to, I usually or I often, I really enjoy, when I have time, and I like to spend time with.
Now it's your turn. In the comments, answer this question. What do you do in your free time?
Use at least 2 of the phrases we taught today.
For example, in my free time, I like to cook. I really enjoy trying new recipes.
Or, I usually watch movies. When I have time, I go to the cinema with my friends.
Or, I really enjoy reading. I like to spend time alone with a good book.
Reading your comments helps us understand what you enjoy, and it helps other learners see real examples.
Don't be shy. Everyone's free time is interesting in its own way.
If this episode helped you talk about your free time in English, please like this video right now.
And subscribe to the English Brain for more easy English conversation practice every week.
Remember, talking about free time is one of the easiest ways to connect with people in English.
It's a safe topic, a friendly topic, and everyone has something to say.
So practice these 5 phrases this week.
And the next time someone asks, "What do you do in your free time?" you'll be ready.
It was nice talking to you. Share your free time activities in the comments.
And see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.